So let's continue solving Max 2013 question Math B, okay? Math B, question 1.5. It is the last part of the question 1. I hope you're getting excited. So this question is we'll use logarithmic properties. You can see over there is a log of something, and it might not be obvious what he's wanting. So I'm going to explain the question, tell you what to study, and then I'm going to solve it, okay? So he's telling you that 3 to the x power is equal to 2 to the epsilon power, and this is both of them are equal to 5. So this is information, it's not the question. So the question is 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by epsilon is equal to log of something that he wants in the base of 5. Okay? And this is what he's asking. What is this? So this is our question, and the other part is information. So you need to review logarithmic properties like when you multiply it, when you sum, the basic logarithmic properties, okay, to solve this and have some ideas. So what I'm going to do first is let this part of the question a bit easier. I'm just going to unite these two sums, okay? So x multiplied by epsilon plus x is equal to log of something in the base of 5. So this is our information, okay? This is our question. We are going back to it. Why did I put it in red? Because we are going back to this one, okay? Now I'm going to use the information that he gave us to find something that connect x and epsilon to the log of something to the base of 5, okay? And I lost my question again. I don't know why. I keep losing the question. 1 second, I'm going to get it again over here. Here we go. Okay. So the information is that 3 to the power of x is equal to I think I get it. No, maybe not. So the information that he gave us is here we go. 3 to the power of x is equal to 5. This was an information that he gave us. And he said that 2 to the power of epsilon is equal to 5 too. So what I'm going to do, what I will do to the 3 to the power of x, I will do it again to the 2 to the power of epsilon. So if you want to try to do it now, and if you can't, I will do the 3 to the power of x, and then you do the 2 to the power of epsilon, okay? So here I'm going to start using the logarithmics. Log of 3 to the power of x, and I'm going to choose the base. The base I'm going to choose is 5. Why did I choose 5? Number 1, because here we have 5, so log of something in the base of something is 1, right? So log of 5 in the base of 5 is 1. And why did I choose 5 again? Because remember, in our answer, we found that the thing that we wanted to do, and we lost it too. Why? It was log of x multiplied by epsilon equal to in the base of 5. Remember, so it was in the base of 5. So we are in the right track, okay? And this is our question. Yes. Okay. So remember, log of 3 to the log of 3 to the x power in base of 5 is equal to 1. So now remember property, the x can fall, logarithmic property, okay? 3 to the base of 5 is equal to 1. So now we're going to find our new relation. So x is equal to 1 divided by log of 3 to the base of 5, okay? What I did here was use logarithmic property. The exponent can fall over here, and then I just send all this dividing, okay? So now we have our second thing that we're going to use. There will be a third thing, so let's open a new page so I don't lose anything. And 1 second, let me see. Okay, so I didn't lose any. So the next information that he gave us was that 2 I forgot to change the color. Here we go. So 2 to the epsilon power, right, is equal to 5. So look, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm not going to do it all, okay? You need, it is the same thing that we did to x. So you will end up with epsilon is equal to log of 2 in the base of 5, okay? And this is our next property. So now I'm going to use this one, epsilon is equal to this, and the other one that we found, this one, x is equal to this. This is a 3 over here, okay? Where I'm going to use them? In this over here. Why? Because I found x in terms of log of 5 and epsilon in terms of log of 5. So I'm going to use this one, okay? I'm going to use these things over here. Let me try to cut it. Here. I think I can. I don't know how to cut it yet, so I'm going to do it manually. Let me just note it over here. Epsilon plus x divided by epsilon x is equal to log of something in the base of 5. So now let's go to and do it the same as me, okay? Put it in a new paper for you. So remember what x was. X was 1 divided by log of 3 to the base of 5, and epsilon was 1 to the log of 2 to the base of 5. And now, and we had what? We had x plus epsilon divided by x multiplied by epsilon, right? That we wanted to find. So let's sum these and multiply them. Let's see what is going to happen, okay? So by summing them, 1 log of 3 in the base of 5. I think the rest is just like numbers and summing, so you don't need any other properties or anything, just making it prettier now, okay? So that you can, so if you want, just pause the video and finish it by yourself, okay? So log of 5, and this is divided by this and this, but I'm not going to put them yet, or yeah, let's put them already. It's weird to write over here. So 1 divided by log of 3 in the base of 5 multiplied by 1 divided by log of 2 in the base of 5. Okay, so what are we going to find now? Well, let's continue this. So let's use this part over here. Okay, so I'm going to sum these two numbers, so it will be log of 2 in the base of 5 plus log of 3 in the base of 5 multiplied by 1, and they are dividing, right? They are dividing it, the same numbers over here. Yeah, this is really a mess. Look, yeah, in here, good. But you get the idea, so I really think you should pause it and do it, because this looks like it's going to take time that shouldn't take, because I can't write it fast. So divided by log of the multiplication of the both of them, log of 3 in the base of 5 divided all this. This is just the part upwards, okay? Just this part over here. So 1 log, this is the part downwards. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and log of 3 to the 5th power multiplied by log, no, here, log of 2 to the 8th power. So look, this part will cancel with this part, okay? It will cancel. This, you are dividing, remember that dividing goes to the other side, multiplying. So this one would be over here, and it will cancel with this. And all you will have left is that, and this is the last property that we're going to use. Log of 5 in the base of 2 plus log of 5 in the base of 3. Remember, when we have the sum, what we do? Well, we can put them together in the same base. They are already in the same base. If we're summing, we multiply, right? So log of 6 in the base of 5. And you said that this was what? Log of something in the base of 5. We did a question right similar to this one that it didn't involve the question 1.4 right before this one. It wasn't about logarithmic, but we did like compare them. So we had log of 5 over here and log of 5 over here. So this one over here is 6, right? We did it to question 1.4 to find the answer, 49 and 20, remember? So it is straight logarithmic question. I'm going to let a drive with the answer a bit more. It's not, yeah, when it's really messy and heavy, heavy not, but messy with the numbers, it gets really disordinated here. So I'm sorry about that, but I think I could give all the things that you needed to remember. Like over here, you just needed to. I think the most important thing about this question is for you to have a way to think about the problem, how the solving technique, okay? So like how I'm going to think to solve this question. So the thing is, you need to see, well, he gave me information first. This is information. And then he gave me the question. And what I did was go from the question to something prettier. I'm not going to solve it again, okay? So relax. So this is our question. And then I looked to the information. The information gave me x and y, but what I wanted is only not x in the power. So I needed to get rid of the thing below the x. I needed to get rid of 3. I wanted x and epsilon in terms of what? With something that we can relate to this one, okay? So I looked to the question. I didn't do the steps just by miracle, okay? You look to the question and you think about it. So I have the x. How can I get rid of everything else? I'm going to use logarithmics properties to the information that he gave me. And why didn't I do it? Why didn't I play with the fact that 3x is equal to 2 epsilon? I don't know. Maybe you can try it. Maybe you can find something cool with it. I went straight to the 3x and 5 because the question is in the log of 5. So it will. I thought it would be easier, but maybe by using this information you could find something else. Okay, so try it out, and this is it. See you.